Welcome to Jack Knowledge. Friends, today we will discuss December 2019 IGNOU Term and Examination question paper, that is CH5 Organic Chemistry. Friends, today lecture we will continue with question number 3. In our previous lecture, we already discussed question number A, B, C and D. Let's start to understand this question. Friends, one request for you. You did not see my previous lecture. Please first you see my previous lecture, then you see this video you for better understanding. Let's try to understand these questions. Friends, this is question number D. Write the product form when bromine R213-butadiene also. Identify the major products. Friends, the structure of 1,3-butadiene, that is friends, this is one position and this is third position. Friends, when 1,3-butadiene is treated with bromine, two dibromo product is forms. Let's try to understand it. One product is formed, this double bond broken and bromine atom is joined these carbon atoms, that is this product name is 3,4 dibromo 1-butene. The another product is formed. Friends, this double bond is shift these positions and two bromine atoms are joined this first and fourth carbon atom, that is friends, this product name is that is 1,4 dibromo is 2-butene. Friends, in these two products, this product is formed, more amount of product is formed. So this is the major product and this is the minor product. Let's go to the next questions. Friends, this is question number E. How will you convert pent 2-yene into the following compound, that is cis-2-pentene and trans-2-pentene and N-pentane? Let's try to understand these questions. Friends, this is question number E. How will you convert pent 2-yene into the following compounds? Friends, the structure of pent 2-yene, that is friends, this is the structure of pent 2-yene. Friends, according to these questions, how will convert this pent 2-yene into cis-2-pent yene? Let's try to understand this. The structure of pent 2-yene, that is friends, when this pent 2-yene treated with linear reagent that is BaSO4 react with this hydrogen is join this carbon place and form. Friends, this is the structure of cis-2-pentene. Friends, this structure's name is cis-2-pentene because these two lower priority group is join this carbon double bond in same sides. Friends, this is second how we will convert this pen-2-yene into trans-2-pentene. The structure of pen-2-yene, that is CH3, when this pen-2-yene treated with NaNH3, hydrogen trans-2-pentene is formed. The structure of trans-2-pentene, that is friends, this structure is transforms because these two lower priority group is attached to the carbon double bond in opposite sides. This is third question. N-pentane. How will convert pen-2-yene into N-pentane? The structure of pen-2-yene, that is friends, when this pen-2-yene is treated with PDC with H2, N-pentane is formed. That is this is the structure of pent N-pentane. This is question number F. Complete the reaction given below. This is acid chloride. When friends, acid chloride react with H2 with BaSO4 and palladium. This reaction name is Rosemont reactions. The resultant product is formed, that is aldehyde. Friends, when this acid chloride react with palladium with BaSO4, Rosemont reaction takes place and form the aldehyde product. The next question, CH3COCH3. This is ketone. When ketone react with zinc amalgam with HCl, friends, this reaction is reduction reactions. This reaction's name is also Clemmensen reduction reactions. This is a typical reduction reactions. When this ketone react with zinc amalgam or zinc with Hg with concentrate HCl, the alkenes is formed. That is friends, this ketone is converted to alkane. This is propane. This is a naming reaction. Friends, when this diazonium salt treated in the presence of CuCl, this diazonium salt is treated with copper chloride, chlorobenzene is formed. Friends, this is question number G. What is Williamson synthesis? Dialysis mechanism. Friends, ether are also prepared by Williamson synthesis, in which alcohol is employed as a starting material. That is, one alcohol react with sodium or potassium to form alkoxide and another alcohol form alkyl halides. Friends, this alkoxide and alkyl halides, we heat both ether is formed. That is, when we heated this alkoxide and alkyl halide together, ether is prepared. Friends, this lecture is helpful. Please share with your friends and subscribe, like, press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much.